Hello students, this is Professor Mangesh Mohan. I welcome you to this module of Design of Spur Gear. Let us talk about introduction of mechanical drives. A mechanical drive is defined as the mechanism which is intended to transmit mechanical power over a certain distance, usually involving a change in speed and torque. In general, the mechanical drive is required between the prime mover, such as electric motor, and the part of the operating machine. Mechanical drives is used on account of following reasons. The torque and the speed of a machine are always different than that of an electric motor or an engine. Machines usually run at low speed and require high torque. In certain machines, variable speeds are required for the operation, whereas the prime mover runs at constant speed. Standard electric motors are designed for uniform rotary motion. However, in some machines like shaper or planer, linear motions with varying velocities are required. Mechanical drives are classified into two groups according to their operation. The two broad groups are as follows. The first one, mechanical drives that transmit power by means of friction. And under this category, belt drive and rope drive comes. Whereas in the second category, mechanical drives that transmit power by means of engagement, under this chain drives and gear drive come. So let's talk about selection criteria for the mechanical drive. The selection criteria for the mechanical drive for a given application depend upon number of factors such as center distance, velocity ratio, shifting arrangement, maintenance consideration, and cost. The guidelines for the selection of suitable mechanical drive for a given applications are as follows. The first one, the flat belt and a roller chain are used for a long distance. V-belt suitable for a short distance and gear drive is suitable for the smallest center distance between the two shafts. Second, gear drives are preferred in the applications which require constant speed. Third one, in some application, shifting mechanism is required to obtain different speeds. Flat belts with relatively long center distance can be shifted from tight to loose pulley. And the fourth one is flat belt drive is the cheapest. V-belt and chain drives are comparatively costly and gear drives are costlier. So, if you want to select any mechanical drive for your given application, we need to take into account all these factors listed above so that the proper selection of mechanical drive is done. Thank you.